Alright, let me show you how to merge PDF files in seconds. Right on, I'm on FusioFiles. All you need to do is click on Merge PDF. Now I upload my files. You can select multiple files, PDF at once, no limit. Once they are uploaded, you'll see them here. If you want to change the order, just drag and arrange them the way you like. Now I click on Merge PDF. Give it a few seconds and done. Now I download the merged file. That's it. And here is why it is better. Your files are not uploaded anywhere. Everything runs directly in your browser. No login, no watermark, and completely free. If you find this helpful, like this video and subscribe to Code with Collar. Check this link in the description to try it yourself. See you in the next work.